We're on a mission to explore every corner of this wild, weird, wonderful planet. 195 countries, 195 unique stories, each one a tapestry of culture, history, and human experience. We're diving deep, getting our hands dirty, and sharing it all with you. This time, we're in Burundi, a small landlocked nation in East Africa, often overlooked but bursting with hidden beauty and resilience. Get ready to explore. This is 195 Journeys. Burundi, a small country with a big heart. Nestled in the heart of Africa, it's a landlocked nation bordered by Rwanda, Tanzania, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. Known as the heart of Africa, Burundi's geographic location is central to the continent. It's a land of rolling hills, lush green valleys, and stunning waterfalls. The iconic Lake Tanganyika, the second largest freshwater lake in the world, graces its western border. Burundi is a land of contrasts. Rugged mountains give way to fertile plains. Sparkling lakes reflect the clear blue sky. The Nile River finds its source in Burundi's highlands, a testament to the country's vital role in the continent's ecosystem. The landscape is breathtaking. Imagine verdant hillsides dotted with traditional homesteads. Picture cascading waterfalls hidden within dense forests. This is Burundi, a country where natural beauty thrives. Burundi's history is a rich tapestry woven with threads of monarchy, colonialism, and independence. This small yet resilient nation in East Africa has a story that spans centuries, filled with both triumphs and tribulations. From its early days as a powerful kingdom to its struggles under colonial rule, Burundi's past is a testament to the enduring spirit of its people. For centuries, it existed as a unified kingdom ruled by a succession of monarchs known as mwami. These kings wielded significant power and were central figures in the cultural and political life of the nation. The Mwami were not just rulers but also spiritual leaders, guiding their people through times of prosperity and hardship. Their reigns were marked by elaborate ceremonies and traditions that have left an indelible mark on Burundian culture. The arrival of Europeans in the late 19th century marked a turning point. Explorers and missionaries from Europe began to make their way into the heart of Africa, drawn by the allure of uncharted territories and the promise of new resources. Their presence would soon alter the course of Burundi's history, bringing with it both opportunities and challenges. Burundi, along with Rwanda, fell under German colonial rule, followed by Belgian administration after World War I. The colonial period was a time of significant upheaval as traditional structures were dismantled and new systems of governance were imposed. The impact of colonialism was profound, affecting every aspect of Burundian society, from its economy to its social fabric. The fight for independence gained momentum in the mid-20th century, culminating in Burundi's liberation in 1962. This period was characterized by a surge of nationalist fervor as Burundians from all walks of life came together to demand their freedom. The road to independence was fraught with challenges, but the determination and resilience of the Burundian people ultimately prevailed. The path since then has been marked by challenges, but the spirit of the Burundian people remains unbroken. Today, Burundi continues to navigate the complexities of nation building, striving to create a future that honors its rich heritage while embracing the possibilities of the modern world. The story of Burundi is one of perseverance and hope, a testament to the enduring strength of its people and their unwavering commitment to a brighter tomorrow. Section 5. The drumbeat of a nation exploring Burundi's culture. Nestled in the heart of East Africa, Burundi is a country rich in history and cultural heritage. Its landscapes are as diverse as its people, offering a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural depth. Burundi's culture is a vibrant blend of tradition and modernity. The bustling street markets are a testament to the country's dynamic way of life, where traditional crafts and modern goods coexist harmoniously. The colorful attire of the Burundian people reflects their deep-rooted traditions and their pride in their cultural identity. Music and dance are integral to Burundian life, serving as a bridge between the past and the present. From the joyous laughter of children dancing in the streets to the rhythmic beats of traditional musicians, the spirit of Burundi is alive in every note and step. The rhythmic drumming of the inanga, a traditional stringed instrument, resonates deeply within the hearts of the Burundian people. This instrument, with its unique sound, is often accompanied by the powerful beats of drums, creating a mesmerizing musical experience. The energetic movements of traditional dances, performed in vibrant costumes, captivate all who witness them. These dances are not just performances, they are a celebration of life, community, and the enduring spirit of the Burundian people. The Royal Drummers of Burundi, an internationally acclaimed group, are a testament to the country's rich musical heritage. Their performances have graced stages around the world, bringing the powerful rhythms of Burundi to a global audience. The Royal Drummers' intricate rhythms and synchronized movements are a sight to behold. Each performance is a carefully crafted display of skill and tradition passed down through generations. Their performances are not mere entertainment. They are a powerful expression of Burundian history, culture, and pride. The audience, both local and international, is often left in awe, clapping and cheering in appreciation of the drummers' talent and dedication. Through their music and dance, the people of Burundi share their stories, their struggles, and their triumphs. Each beat of the drum, each step of the dance is a tribute to their ancestors and a promise to future generations to keep their cultural heritage alive. The rich tapestry of Burundian culture is woven with threads of history, tradition, and an unyielding sense of pride. Section 6. The language of Burundi, Kirundi, and beyond. Kirundi, a Bantu language, is the heart and soul of Burundi. It's the language of daily life, spoken by the majority of the population. French, a legacy of the colonial era, is also spoken primarily in government and education. But language in Burundi is more than just words. It's a way of life, a means of preserving tradition, and a powerful tool for communication and connection. Section 7. A tapestry of traditions, from Imigani to Umuganuro. In this chapter, we delve into the rich cultural heritage of Burundi, a nation where traditions are not just preserved but celebrated with fervor and pride. Burundi's cultural tapestry is woven with intricate threads of tradition. Each thread represents a unique aspect of Burundian life, from the vibrant fabrics that tell stories of the past to the crafts that showcase the skill and creativity of its people. Storytelling, known as imigani, plays a vital role in passing down wisdom, values, and history from one generation to the next. These stories are more than just tales. They are the lifeblood of Burundian culture, teaching lessons of morality, bravery, and community. The Umuganuro ceremony, a celebration of the new year and the harvest season, is a testament to the country's agricultural heritage. This grand event is marked by vibrant dances, rhythmic drumming, and communal feasting, symbolizing unity and gratitude for the bountiful harvest. These traditions are not relics of the past, they are living, breathing expressions of Burundian identity. In modern Burundi, you will find people proudly wearing traditional attire, participating in age-old ceremonies, and keeping the spirit of their ancestors alive. The blend of the old and the new creates a dynamic cultural landscape where history and contemporary life coexist harmoniously. Section 8. Burundi's hidden treasures, intriguing facts. Burundi, despite its small size, is a land of surprises. Did you know that it's home to the world's largest chimpanzee population in the wild? The Kibera National Park, a sprawling rainforest, provides a sanctuary for these incredible creatures. Another hidden gem is the Rusitsi National Park, a haven for diverse birdlife and a testament to Burundi's commitment to conservation. Section 9. Taste of Burundi, a culinary journey. Burundian cuisine is a delicious fusion of flavors, reflecting the country's agricultural bounty. Staple foods like beans, plantains, and cassava are transformed into flavorful dishes that tantalize the taste buds. Brochettes, grilled skewers of meat, are a popular street food, while izombe, a dish made with mashed cassava leaves and peanut butter, is a true taste of Burundi. Section 10. Unveiling the unexplored, why Burundi should be on your travel list. Burundi is a destination waiting to be discovered. It's a place where you can immerse yourself in authentic African culture, experience breathtaking natural beauty, and witness the resilience of the human spirit. From trekking through lush rainforests to exploring ancient ruins, Burundi offers a unique and unforgettable travel experience. Section 11, join the journey, 195 countries await. Our journey through Burundi ends here, but the exploration continues. 195 countries, 195 stories waiting to be told. Join us as we traverse the globe, one country at a time, uncovering the hidden gems and sharing the human experience. Subscribe now and embark on the adventure of a lifetime. The world awaits.